Faster, more emotional, and more connected, the 8th generation of the Porsche 911 is here. On the eve of the Los Angeles Auto Show, the new 911 celebrated its world premiere at the Porsche Experience Center Los Angeles. With an exterior that unmistakably reflects the Porsche design DNA, a more muscular look, and a completely new interior layout, the new 911 is both timeless and modern. The next generation of flat-six turbocharged engines has been further developed to be more powerful than ever before, delivering 443 horsepower in the S models. Using an improved injection process, as well as a new layout for the turbochargers and intercoolers, the efficiency of the engine has been further optimized. Power is delivered by a new 8-speed, dual-clutch transmission. New assistance systems such as the standard Porsche Wet Mode for increased driver awareness on wet roads, and the optional night vision assist with a thermal imaging camera, are part of the broadened array of available active driver assistance features. The new Porsche Communication Management (PCM) with a larger 10.9-inch touchscreen display, up from 7.0 inches in the previous car, and comprehensive connectivity, optional adaptive 18-way sport seats, plus with improved lateral support, retuned PASM dampers, and extended digital features all ensure greater comfort and everyday usability. 911 Carrera S models with 443 horsepower. The turbocharged flat-six engine of the 911 Carrera S and 911 Carrera 4S now produces 443 horsepower. This corresponds to an increase of 23 horsepower compared with the previous model. Equipped with the 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission as standard, the rear-wheel drive 911 Carrera S Coupe needs just 3.5 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour from standstill, and the 911 Carrera 4S Coupe with all-wheel drive takes only 3.4 seconds. This makes both cars 0.4 seconds faster than the previous model in each case. This advantage is increased by a further 0.2 seconds with the optional Sport Chrono package, to 3.3 seconds for the Carrera S and 3.2 seconds for the Carrera 4S. The top track speeds are now 191 miles per hour 911 Carrera S, and 190 miles per hour for the all-wheel drive version. A manual transmission will be offered at a later date.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.